Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn about one of the examples of MT103, which is nothing but our single customer credit transfer payment message. So let's get started. So I've taken one example over here, which is a MT103 message example. Let's understand how do you read this MT103 message. Now this MT103 message, if you are getting it from respective banks, if you have initiated a payment and you are totally blank or unaware what exactly it means. So I'm going to explain you about this MT103 message, right? So let's get started. So this MT103 message, if you can see, the first block over here, the curly braces bracket number one, right? So this particular part, that particular part is basically either your financial institution bank or the receiver financial institution bank. And likewise, the block two, you either it can be your financial institution bank or the receiver bank, depending upon input and output and identifier. In this case, if you see the block two, it says like O, meaning it is output from Swift. It means the message is a incoming message, and the bank who has sent out the payment is the bank one BIC, that is YOU or BIC is the message receiver BIC, and the message sender bank is the one which is available in block 2. All right. So here you have this tag 20, which is nothing but your transaction reference number. This is bank operation code, which is also a mandatory element, or call it as a tag in your MT103 message. So this is bank operation code 32A, whereas it is called as a value date, interbank settlement amount, and its currency. 33B is the instructed amount. 50K is your ordering customer details, which includes your account number, name, and address. Likewise, 52 is the ordering institution, the bank where the ordering customer holds an account with. 53 is a sender correspondent bank. And 57A is nothing but your account with institution. 59A basically is your beneficiary details. Again, it contains account number, name, and address of the beneficiary. Now, we do also have your 70, which is remittance information. Seventy-one is the charge type, and 72 is your sender to receiver bank information. 77 is regulatory reporting. So just to quickly show it to you, in this particular transaction, a transaction is sent by the message sender bank, which is available in your block 2, and message receiver bank is in your block 1. The amount interbank settlement between these two banks is happening of amount 1000 US dollar, and also the instructed amount by the customer whose account got debited is as well as 1000. The customer name is ordering customer John Doe, whose account got debited, whose account number, name, and address been mentioned over here. 52A, which is your ordering institution, the customer whose account is getting debited, their account holding institution. And 53A is the sender correspondent bank, the ordering institution correspondent bank. 57A is the beneficiary customer's account holding institution, and 59 is basically the beneficiary customer. 70 is just a customer who is sending out a making a payment. They have inputted some information which has to go pass on through the beneficiary customer. 71A basically the charge type, who should bear the charges. 72 is then a sender bank to receive a bank information. And 77B is the regulatory reporting details. It totally varies upon different country at country. Now, there are plenty of example use cases which we do cover in our training. If you wish to learn the Swift MT messaging, Swift MX messaging, the entire CPR plus migration program is also covered as part of our training. A detailed training of around 28 hours is covered in our course. Every month we have a new batch. So you can always email us to our email ID swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com, and we would get back to you with necessary details on our cross-border payment training program. We do also have a different training courses available. We have card payments and ISO 8583, trade finance training. We have real-time payment system training. We have SEPA payment system training, and then we have payment engine payment training as well. You can always inquire us as I mentioned in this respective email, and we would get back to you. There are plenty of job opportunities right now available into the market. As we all know, there is a huge transformation happening into the cross-border payment, that is MT to MX. It is going to be there, and this entire decade is going to be the one who are into payments domain skill set. Plenty of job opportunities are available. We do also add you into our payment job notifications broadcast list, where you get an opportunity related information, different opportunities, whether it be in India or be abroad, into the cross-border payment, which is definitely been covered as part of our training. We do cover 50 important interview set of questions and answers, which definitely indeed covers all your important interview questions, which you eventually end up giving the answers with. A lot of students have been benefited with this training courses, which have been taking from almost 6 years now. So what are you waiting for? Enroll it now. Thank you all. I'll see you next time.